Okay, it's the Atlas portable blind stitch machine, 1x1, 2x1. That means stitch by stitch, and one stitch, one skip, one stitch, one skip. This over here, the dial, you say less or more, and very carefully when you want to see how much stitch you're catching on the bottom, as you see over here. So you turn this knob, but you turn the knob in a very delicate way. It's like this, not all the way. And you have to watch, right here on the bottom, they have a piece, and this the one over here, like half a moon. So when you turn that, that's mean you bring that piece, the half a moon, up or down to catch more stitch or less stitch. This piece over here, as you see, okay? So now, if you're going to put your fabric underneath to sew, so you're putting your fabric, and then it should give you a stitch like that. And on the bottom, it will show you just a little bit peak. So it picks up a little bit, so you don't show much. So if you use a clear thread, you don't see nothing at all. So right now, you have to make sure your threading is correct. It's going to that hole here, and they have another pin. You see the pin over here? It will go underneath, coming right up, going here to that hole, coming here to here, and going back to here. And from here, it goes to the needles. Now, sometimes it's so hard to thread the machine, and I will advise you can buy, as you see, a threadle. This one is a threadle over here, so you can take the threadle and go to the hole of the needles and go through this hole, and when it comes out, you put your thread through it, and you're just gonna pull it out. I'm gonna do it right now because I need more room to be comfortable. Thank you. You're going to put it through over here. You see, here's the thread inside, and you pull through. And what it is, it's right here, and it's okay. So now, I'm going to take the hand wheel, turn it around, the thread will pick up, and now you see, it doesn't stitch. That's mean the level over here, it's too much down, so we need to put a little bit higher if it doesn't catch the stitch. Okay, the needle is on a place. We're gonna go more. You see over here right now, it doesn't catch anything. You see, it doesn't sewing. So what we need to do is to raise more. The lever will go more. So when you raise the level, now take a look at the stitch starting. You see, it picks up every time, and he makes the stitch. Now I'm doing it by hand so you can see it. Later on, I'm going to plug it in and show you how it works very fast. So, almost done. Okay. I'm going to take the stitch out. Now I want to show you, that's the stitch I did by hand to show you. So it's stitching, and you see it catching little, okay? So you just going to raise this, it say more. And then if you see the stitch kind of loose like that, you should tighten this a little bit more. It depends the thread you're using. So this is what you do. You look at the thread you're using, you see your stitches is loose, you want it nice like that, just put more tension. After I thread the machine correct, everything went through, and I'm going to show you right now. And now you see the stitches? Back and forth. If you want to do one by one, all you do is turn this side